This is a fresh update, guys. This is a fresh update. Okay, I started this update like 4 days ago, and I've placed withdrawal. Okay, in one of my accounts. It's my other account for promotion. Okay, I just did 3K on this account. This have been making people a lot of money. If you have done FB Night 9, okay, you remember what I'm saying, trying to say here. I did that also. I did not inform most of my community. Okay, and I'm making huge money over 6 months now. Okay, so this is another one from same pattern. All right, so if I just come, this is journey for graduates where I share premium videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me because I'm going to show you ways you can make money, ways you can make easy money from this app. Okay, so it was just today I just introduced some of my members to it, and I'm shocked to see some of their results. Let's go to my WhatsApp. Okay, let's go to my WhatsApp to see some of their results. It's so shocking. It's so shocking. Okay, as you can see this one. Okay, just recharge 3,000 naira in few minutes after playing the game I asked him to play. He's about to get 10,000 naira or something. Okay, just fresh. Okay, look at this one also. This is one of my, where is it? Okay, now you can see she just started the game. Okay, she just started the game. 13,588. Wow, that is interesting. That is interesting. I invested 3K and I've made three in less than 5 minutes. In less than 5 minutes. Okay, in less than 5 minutes. That is so shocking. She was even telling me she made 9K. Okay, she was telling me she made 9K. I was like, wow, 9K. How come? That's interesting. Okay, so let's go back to the video. Let's go back to the site. Okay, there's nothing you do on this site than to play games. Oh, let me log in again. There's nothing we do here than to play games. Okay, just play game. All right, so once you get here, okay, once you get here, just come to deposit. You deposit. Deposit is very easy. Just click on deposit. All right, I'll read what is here. Always read. Okay, so you make the amount of payment. Okay, I need the amount of payment. Just look at the amount of payment. So get the payment, and once you get the payment done, you click on the amount of payment you want to make, 3,000, 5,000. Okay, bank one or bank two. Use any of these. Use any of these, bank one or bank two. Okay, so once you deposit, you'll be giving 30% of your money. Okay, you'll be giving 30% of your money. Okay, so just make sure you use the referral link. I'm going to drop. Use the link I'm going to drop at the end of the video. Okay, so do that. Okay, so before you make deposit, what are the things you need to do? That just needs to do. So through the link I drop. Okay, so once you click the link will take you to a fresh page like this. So the link will take you to a fresh page like this. Okay, to a fresh page like this. Okay, input your mobile number, your email, password. Okay, make sure that the code is inserted. Okay, any code you click, I will drop it on the description link. Make sure this code is inserted. So once you have done that, immediately you have done that, okay, you'll be moved straight to the app. You come straight to the app. So once you can download the app. If you wish to download the app, you download the app. If you don't want to download the app, keep using the browser. All right, so you get here, and I'll show you deposit. Just go and make the deposit, and once you have done the deposit, there are a lot of games. Lobby, you can try any of the lobby. Okay, but this is the game I normally play. The PG slots, I always play Candy Bust. I know most ladies love candy. This is a game. Okay, it's not an investment, it's a game. You have to play game. You can be lucky. All right, so you can play game, and after at times that the game is so sure. Okay, that is why you need to join uh the update group, join the Telegram, join my own personal update group. The link is there. So this is the game. All right, this is the game. Just do this one as a practice for you guys. Okay, this is a game. immediately you start, the game will keep reading. Time is there. Alright, so you come here, if I see the amount 120, okay? If you want to use more than 120, once it's 200. If you want to reduce it, okay? Increase it, reduce it. If you want to use automatic, that you don't want to play it yourself, just set the automation. It should play for you. So it's a game of luck, okay? It's a game of luck, but there are more wins than lose. There are more wins than lose, okay? There are more wins than. Let me just try this one. This time, let's see what okay. Scatter, okay? This one is a loss, okay? This is a loss, okay? Let me try 120. Let me see what happens. I'll try 120. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay, it's a game of chance. So you just keep trying. Just keep trying like that, okay? And surely it will get to a time you eat it well. You eat it well. That is how the game has been doing. You know how to play Candy Crush very well. Okay, so if you have tried that, I want to try more, you come around. Okay, you can try more games. You can try more games. You try more games. Cosmo, any game that you find doing, just try those games. The game will work. Okay, there are other aspects that you can earn hugely. There are other aspects that you can earn fantastic. Okay, so this is your referral link. Copy your referral code. You can earn beautifully from this. Okay, read the instruction they put here. Go to the promotion also. Read all these aspects. You can make, even without playing games, you can make a lot of money from this site. Okay, if you know how to play all this game. Okay, to the VIP level, you can join the VIP level and look at the level to join the VIP level. If you meet up the VIP requirement. All right, so that is just what we do on this site. Invite your friend to earn more money. When you invite your friend, earn more money. I'm telling you, you can make as twice as double as your money daily. It's not an investment. Your money can be there. Okay, now let's go to withdrawal. Let me show you the withdrawal pattern. Okay, if you go to withdrawal now, listen very well to this withdrawal, because I can see a lot of people coming to the withdrawal to come and withdraw. Now listen very well. You have to apply some levels of game. Don't just play game within 5 minutes and say okay, and you earn and you want to go and withdraw. No, they are not stupid. Okay, they are not stupid. Okay, so please don't let your greediness choke you. Play enough game. Try all the games aspects. Okay, so when you play game, the more you play game, the more your withdrawal threshold will be opened. Okay, so don't just say after 5 minutes you have earned, you want to come and withdraw. No, you have to apply game to some level. I told you I've been on this for 4 days. I've been playing game for 4 days before I started withdrawing. So please don't just think you can just withdraw immediately you play the game. No. Accumulate your money. Your money is surely going to be withdrawable. But make sure you have played some reasonable amount of games. Okay, so walk around the site and you are going to see that it is interesting and can you cool money. At least you can deposit 3,000, 5,000, as many as you want. So see you guys. So try it out. Drop comment. Let me see your reactions to this. Okay, I have earned and people are making cool money from this. Okay, just a game, gamble game. Just gamble the game and play the game. All right, so let's make money together, guys. See you in my next video.